Are you looking for a boat sub 20 feet, but you don't want to give up the versatility and the seaworthiness and the durability? Well, join me today on the Scout 175 Dorado. The 175 Dorado lets you have that small, low maintenance feel of a boat, but still have the durability and the ruggedness and the versatility that you'll get with a larger boat. You have a ton of seating on this boat. As you see, I'm sitting in this nice captain's chair. There is a co-pilot captain's chair. You have 2 jump seats on both sides of the motor. You have these 2 forward-facing loungers, and then you have even more bow seating towards the forward part of the boat. The thing I like about the 175 Dorado is that it is self-bailing. You do have a pretty large power plant on the back with the 115 Mercury. You have a ton of storage up in front of each one of these loungers. You have storage, more storage under the bow. You still have a dedicated anchor locker. And it's not super tight, so you can still walk around and do the fishing that you might want. You have rod holders on each side and a nice large bimini to really give you that shade in the summer. Thing I love about Scout as well is that the upholstery is soft, it is plush, and it gives you that luxury feel without having to go too big and spend too much money. Thank you for taking the time to walk through the Scout 175 Dorado with me today. If you have any questions, please reach out. This is MarineMax of Westbrook, Connecticut on Boston Post Road, and we look forward to seeing you.